Today's video is a thrift with me at Goodwill haul video. I am looking for some items for my home decor, as well as items that are undervalued to resell for a profit on sites such as eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook, and Amazon. One of these items sold within days of listing, and it almost paid for my entire lot. Can you guess which one it is? Stick around until the end of the video to see which item I purchased for my own home and how I put it to good use. Now let's get started. Now while I'm out thrifting, I like to play a game that I call Buy or Pass on my Instagram story. That's where I ask my Instagram followers if they would buy or pass on an item that I find in the thrift store. Let's see what you all said. The Adidas sandals for $1. 26% said buy, while 74% said pass. The UGG boots, 72% said buy, 28% said pass. Some Justin Western boots for $8, 63% said buy, while 37% said pass. And here's a couple more. I found these Crocs shoes for $2 that are pretty worn, torn, and dirty. 22% said buy, while 78% said pass for $2. I then found this lantern wax warmer. The thrift store had marked up to $5, which I thought was quite expensive for a used wax warmer. 37% of my followers said buy, while 63% said pass. Now, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, please do. I kind of take you all shopping with me at the thrift store via my Instagram story. I'm at piece.of.scrap on Instagram. Now let's see which ones I bought, passed, and which ones may have sold already. During my lunch hour yesterday, I stopped by two different thrift stores. At the first thrift shop, I purchased all of this for $10. I did get quite a bit of shoes. These over here in the bottom right are UGG boots. They do look a little bit worn and dirty, but I'm hoping I can clean those up just a bit. These jeans are BKE Kate for women. The men's BKE by Buckle denim jeans sell much better than the women's, but I have had great success with the Kate style for women. Over here is a pair of Born sandals. Coming into warm weather, I did pick up these sandals. These are a size 10, and the soles don't look too bad. This brand, I ran comps in the store, AHNU, and they looked pretty good. The soles on these also look very good. So I went ahead and picked those up. There are two pair of Adidas flip-flop shoes. I believe they're the same size, probably donated by the same person. The soles on each of these also look good. And this is another pair of Born sandals, size 10. So the same lady must have donated all of these. The soles on these look a little bit more worn than the rest, but I'm sure I could sell those. This is a pair of Miss Me denim jeans. This is a small size 24. But again, I picked all this up for $10. This is an NFL team short sleeve t-shirt for women. You know, those Steeler fans love to purchase the NFL apparel. Back there is a pair of mini Tonka flip-flops. These Crocs look pretty worn and dirty, but they'll get dirty anyway, right? So these are unisex size. 10 and, I'm not sure, 10 and 12 for women. So I'll clean those up a bit and see if I can get anything out of that. And then we have the other pair of Adidas flip-flops. So again, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 items for $10. This was the first thrift store that I went to. I did go to a second thrift store right down the road, and I will have that haul in just a little bit. And there is my assistant, Ginger. Now, I don't always listen to my Instagram followers, as I did pick up both pair of the Adidas flip-flop sandals and then the Croc slides. Even though they were dirty and well worn. I also did not take their advice when they suggested I pick up the Justin boots. I passed on those, and I'm wondering if I made a mistake. The second thrift store that I stopped at, they charged me $36 for all of this. The jeans were priced at $5 each, but I got some good ones. These are silver denim jeans, plus size for women with the back flap pocket. This is also a plus size Vigas with the embellished back pocket. A pair of Miss Me denim jeans, I believe these are size 33. These should sell well. They were also $5. And then I picked up a pair of Torrid plus size denim jeans. These are size 16 tall. And I've recently sold a pair of these for about $30. On the way out, I came across a bunch of men's shirts. These are several different brands. This one is a cinch Western wear. These have all been recently dry cleaned and are starched, so they're in very good condition. This is I'm not sure how you pronounce that. I always say fashionable, but that's probably not right. If anyone knows how to pronounce that, please leave a comment below and correct me. But this is also a men's shirt. I believe these are all long sleeve. This is a George Strait collection by Wrangler. I have sold these in the past and they tend to do very well. So these Western shirts, keep your eye out for those. This one here in the middle is a 7 Diamonds brand. It's new to me, but I did run comps in the store and I kind of remember hearing another reseller mention this brand. So I went ahead and picked it up. This 7 Diamonds shirt sold within 3 days of listing for my full asking price of $24 on Poshmark. So I will definitely keep my eye out for that brand in the near future. As I mentioned, it was a new to me brand. Have you guys heard of that brand? 7 Diamonds. Back in the back there are 2 Vans t-shirts with a graphic back print. I may sell those, or I may see if my son would like those. And then over here in the corner is a Nick and Nora robe with an owl print. These graphic prints by Nick and Nora, their pajamas tend to do super well if you can find the complete set. But this robe with the owl print, there's not many listed on eBay, so I'm pretty sure it will sell well. So again, on my lunch hour, I hit 2 thrift stores. This was the second one. They charged me $36 total for all of this. Heading back in here, as I forgot to include the wax warmer. It looks like a lantern. I'm going to use it for my own home decor. They did charge me $5 for it, which I thought was high at a thrift store, but I just couldn't leave it behind. So that is included in the whole $36 thrift haul. Even though I thought the wax warmer was overpriced at $5, I went ahead and purchased it anyway. I love the lantern look, and I knew it would look great in my home. And here you can see it lights up the corner beautifully in the corner of the bedroom. My assistant Ginger decided to take a break while sitting in the sun after making an appearance earlier in the video. All of her hard work has paid off. One of the items sold already, as mentioned, for $24. In total, I spent $46 on these 2 thrift store trips, $5 of which went for my lantern. So $41 minus the $24, what is that? 17? It is 17, so I need to sell at least $17 worth on any of the other items to make my return on investment back. If you love this kind of video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It tells me that you like this kind of video and would love to see more. It's easy and free to do, and it really helps my channel. By the way, I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel, so spread the word and tell your friends. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. And while you're at it, click the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. I do release what sold videos weekly, so not only do I thrift this stuff, but I do sell it. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.